Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I'm diving into the world of smartphone macro photography to help you find the best macro camera phones of 2025. If you're into capturing the tiniest details, from the veins on a leaf to the texture of a bug's wing, this one's for you. First up, the Vivo X100 Pro. This phone is like the superhero of macro photography. With its 50MP f2. 4.3x telephoto camera, it can focus super close, giving you those crisp, detailed macro shots. Its optical image stabilization, OIS, ensures your pictures stay sharp, even if you have shaky hands. Plenty of people are calling this the best built-in macro feature of 2025. Now let's talk about some other heavy hitters in the game. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a beast overall, with its 200MP main camera and impressive specs. But surprisingly, it lacks a strong macro mode. So if macros are your thing, you might want to look elsewhere. Then there's the Xiaomi 14 Ultra and its successor, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. These phones pack a punch with their quad camera setups and high megapixel counts, but neither has a dedicated macro lens. Great for general photography, but not quite there for the macro enthusiasts. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and Apple iPhone 16 Pro Max are also noteworthy mentions. Both excel in overall camera quality, but they too fall short in the macro department. For true macro shots with the iPhone, you'll need to invest in external lenses. One phone that's worth a mention is the Honor Magic 7 Pro. While it doesn't have a dedicated macro lens, its AI features can enhance close-ups. Still, it's not quite the same as having a true macro mode. Alright, let's lighten things up a bit with some dark humor. Why did the macro photographer get kicked out of the garden? He kept getting too close to the bug's personal space. Or my favorite, these macro cameras are so good you can see the ant's social anxiety. Yeah, I know it's a bit dark, but hey, it's all in good fun. So, to wrap things up, if you're serious about macro photography, the Vivo X100 Pro is your best bet for 2025. Its telephoto capabilities and close focus make it the standout choice. Alright folks, that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. And drop a comment below. What's your favorite macro shot you've ever taken? Catch you in the next one. Peace out.